Alright, now we're getting into the first steps into the character animation. Before we start animating, we have to prepare our assets. And that's our characters, backgrounds, elements, and any other item basically. You can create your characters in Photoshop, Illustrator, or in After Effects. If you can draw, that's fine. That's why I've prepared these characters so we can start animating right away. And basically, that's how the industry works. An illustrator or designer creates the characters in Photoshop or Illustrator, and then the animator animates them. So enough blah blah. Here I've prepared the characters in Photoshop and Illustrator. So you have choice. Download them here from the resources section. The characters are a cute boy and a cute girl. For this course, I will choose the cute girl because I'm a handsome gentleman. Now it's very important when we're designing the characters in Photoshop, we need to make sure everything is divided into different layers. For example, here look at the back hair, torso, full head, eyes, and even that hair strand here, because it will be cool to animate while walking. Oh, you've noticed that there are no arms and legs. Don't worry, we'll draw them in After Effects in different lecture, because they are only strokes and it's very simple. And it will be easy to animate that way. You can see I've also prepared a few eye shapes, so we can create our character Blink. Alright, enough for this. Now let's import the character in After Effects. So, the first thing you need to do is to go File, Import, File. And now go to the folder that we'll find in the resources section. Character assets, cute girl. And I will use here the Photoshop file. Now, important thing you need to know is here you don't need to import as footage. We don't want this to appear as flat object. We want to import the Photoshop file and keep all the layers in it so we can manipulate them individually. So choose Composition, Retain Layer Sizes. Import. It will ask you again, so choose the same thing, Composition, Retain Layer Sizes, and make sure Layer Options here is at Editable Layer Styles. Okay. So now, After Effects here created a folder with all the Photoshop files here. And also a composition. Double click in the composition and you will see all the characters components here. Pretty sweet. Now we can control every part from here. In the next lecture we will see how to rig our character.